Alright, so when you start shading the cube, you're going to have the light coming from the upper right hand side, which means the top is going to be the lightest value. You're just going to shade in the entire flat area a very light gray to be your lightest value. Then you're going to move to the side where that's going to be your next darker value, and that's going to be if we're going with the scale of 1 through 4, the top is going to be about a 2, this side is going to be about a 3, and then that front side, which is furthest away from the light source, would be a 4, or your darkest value. But you're just going to shade in nice solid value, making sure to stay nice and neat. You can't go over the edges here, because if you do, you can't erase to fix your mistakes, so you have to stay inside the lines. So see here, I'm turning my pencil going different directions, so that way I'm going alongside my edge, so that way you don't have to worry about going outside. Slow it down around the edges and kind of getting those edge areas in first. It's okay if you can see the pencil marks right now, because when you go back over to do your second layer, those will blend out just like we did on our value strips. So here, notice that I'm gripping the pencil closer to the tip of the pencil so you can apply the most amount of pressure to get those darkest values. This whole video, I am doing this cube in 2 minutes and 45 seconds, real time, because this video is sped up. Real time, it was just over 4 minutes it took me to complete this cube. Likely it's going to take you a little bit longer, but if it's taking you less than 4 minutes to finish this cube, you're probably going too fast, and it probably doesn't look super neat. So maybe slow down, go back, take a look at your work, and see how you can neaten it up. Now that I have the area filled in nice and dark, you can see where all those pencil marks are. Now I'm going to just start to go in and overlap some of those shading areas, go in either the same direction or different directions, just to blend out those pencil marks so we don't see them. But again, you're trying to press nice and hard so that way you get your darkest value on this front side, because it is the furthest away from the light source. Going in opposite direction, going diagonally, and some areas you just need to go in and put pressure on areas where you need to and not put additional pressure other places.